Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best orange and black face paint is probably one of the most versatile and eye-catching cosmetic tools available, perfect for transforming your look for Halloween, costume parties, cosplay events, or even artistic body painting projects, offering a bold and dramatic contrast that can create stunning visual effects and bring your creative visions to life with vibrant hues and smooth application. Number 5. Mehron Makeup Paradise AQ Pro Size Black. Discover the vibrant world of Mehron Makeup Paradise AQ. This professional-grade face and body paint is your ultimate tool for any artistic endeavor. Designed for stage and screen, its water-activated formula delivers intense color payoff. Achieve flawless looks for performances, beauty, and cosplay with ease. From intricate face designs to full body art, this versatile paint brings your imagination to life. It's perfect for Halloween transformations and everyday artistry. Simply add water to activate its rich pigment. This formula glides on smoothly, offering exceptional coverage and blendability for stunning results. Our deep black shade is essential for creating bold lines, dramatic shadows, and striking details. It's the go-to color for professional artists and enthusiasts alike. Enjoy comfortable wear throughout the day or night. This makeup stays put, ensuring your creations remain vibrant and intact without smudging. What we like. This professional-grade option offers exceptional vibrancy and a smooth, water-activated application. If you're a stage performer or cosplayer needing intense, reliable color, this is your go-to. Its formula ensures long-lasting wear for demanding events. What people say. It gives solid coverage in 1 or 2 coats without feeling cakey, and the color was just super vibrant and easy to blend. Despite the humidity and the inevitable sweat, not once did I find myself with smudged or faded makeup. The color stayed as vibrant and well-defined at the end of the night as it was at the beginning. When the paint on the skin feels great, usually I would feel like my skin could not breathe, but this felt light and as if was not even there. Number 4. Kids and Adults Multicolor Face and Body Paint Kit. Discover vibrant colors for both kids and adults. This multicolor kit is perfect for any occasion, bringing your creative visions to life. Our water-based formula glides on smoothly, offering a professional finish. The twistable sticks make application a breeze, ensuring no mess and endless fun. Worry-free creativity is here. These paints are completely washable, making cleanup as simple as the application. Enjoy hours of artistic expression. Elevate your next birthday party, Halloween costume, or cosplay event. These paints are designed to make your makeup stand out and impress. Experience professional-grade face and body paint that's safe and easy for all ages. Get ready to transform and have a blast. What we like. Designed with convenience and safety in mind, these twistable sticks are perfect for little artists. If you're looking for an easy-to-use, mess-free option for kids' parties or casual fun, this kit is ideal. The washable formula makes cleanup a breeze for parents. What people say. My kids actually asked if they could do each other's faces immediately upon opening these, and their drawings were actually wonderful, and easy to get off with a touch of soap and water. I was very pleased with the vibrant colors, and that the crayons actually twist up to give you more product than you see upon opening them. Did not irritate skin and removed very easily with wet wipe or makeup removing wipe. Number 3. Mehron Makeup Color Cups, Orange. Unleash your creativity with our vibrant grease paint. It provides a smooth, blendable base for any makeup application. Achieve professional results with this high-quality formula. It's perfect for stage, film, and everyday creative expression. Easily transform your face or body with this versatile paint. Its creamy texture allows for detailed work and full coverage. Get into the spirit of Halloween or any costume event with this essential color. It's the perfect shade to complete your look. This 0.5 Oz, 14G, container is convenient for on-the-go touch-ups. Its compact size makes it a staple in any makeup kit. Add a pop of bold orange to your design. This shade offers intense pigmentation for a striking effect. What we like. Experience a rich, creamy texture with this grease paint formulation. If you need a foundation for intricate designs or a smooth base layer, this product excels. Its blendability makes it perfect for achieving nuanced looks in stage or Halloween makeup. What people say. Easy to put on and colors are nice when dry. Not the waxy, wet face paint. Works well. This glided on easily with spectacular coverage. And it lasted all day. It was creamy and no cracking after setting it. The opacity was good too. Number 2. Bowitzki 30G Professional Face Paint. Discover the ultimate tool for your artistic expression. This professional-grade face and body paint is designed for vibrant, long-lasting results. Achieve a bold, opaque black with our high-quality water-based formula. It's perfect for intricate designs and full coverage. Enjoy peace of mind with our skin-safe formulation. It's gentle and suitable for adults, making it ideal for any occasion. From Halloween transformations to festive Christmas looks, this versatile paint is your go-to for creating stunning makeup. Application is a breeze with its smooth, blendable texture. When your masterpiece is complete, it removes easily with soap and water. Experience professional-level quality in a convenient single color. This split cake design ensures you have pure, intense black whenever you need it. What we like. This professional water-based paint offers a safe and versatile application with its split cake design. If you're a beginner or looking for a reliable single color for various events like Halloween or Christmas, this is a great choice. It provides good coverage and is easy to work with. What people say. Water-based and easy to use, it's also a breeze to remove with warm water and soap. Once dried, it's very tough and not easily rubbed off. This product works great, it's super opaque. It also washes off easily without staining my skin. The paint is of high quality, dries fast, and is easy to clean. Number 1. Glow King Blacklight Reactive Crayons. Get ready to shine with our Blacklight Reactive Crayons. These vibrant sticks are perfect for creating stunning face and body art that glows under UV light. Experience intense luminosity with these glow-in-the-dark sticks. They are designed to make you stand out at any fluorescent party or event. Add a splash of color to your look with our colorful UV makeup. These neon-infused crayons are a must-have for any party. Light up the night at your next party or festival. These accessories are guaranteed to bring fun and excitement to any gathering. This set includes 12 pieces of pure neon power, offering endless possibilities for creative expression. Get yours today and glow like never before. What we like. Get ready to shine with these Blacklight Reactive Crayons that glow intensely under UV light. If you're heading to a neon party, rave, or any event where you want to stand out, these are a must-have. They offer a fun, luminous way to express yourself with vibrant, glowing colors. What people say. They showed up well in black light and washed off easily. Smooth and vibrant colors. Perfect for a glow party. Great to draw all over your body or color on black boxes to glow in the dark. Very clean and easy to wash off. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.